In the previous video we had learned about the noun. हमने previous chapter number 1 में noun के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ था. So let us revise once again. What is noun? A name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. What is noun? A name of a person, place, animal or thing is called noun. Yes, you know very well that there are many types of noun. For example, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, singular noun, plural noun, countable noun, uncountable noun and gender noun. Yes, from that today we are going to learn about the gender noun. See here, gender. Okay, gender can be classified into 4 ways. Yes, so here nouns have 4 genders. First one masculine gender, second one feminine gender, third one common gender, fourth one neuter gender. So 4 types of genders are: first one masculine gender, second one feminine gender, third one common gender and fourth one neuter gender. Now what is masculine gender? Masculine gender means what? Masculine gender means nouns referring to males. What is a masculine gender? Nouns referring to male. जो male के लिए belongs करता है उसको masculine gender कहते हैं. For example, bull, uncle, son, wizard, father, grandfather. These all are the examples of masculine gender. What is a masculine gender? Nouns that refer to the male. Yes. Second one, feminine gender. Now what is a feminine gender? Feminine means what? Nouns that referring to the female. Nouns referring to females. जो noun belong करता है female को उसको feminine gender कहते हैं. For example, cow, aunt, daughter, witch. Yes, for that mother, sister. These all are also the example of the feminine gender. कितने टाइप के gender है? 4 टाइप के. कौन कौन से? Masculine, feminine, common, neuter. Now what is a masculine gender? Masculine gender means nouns that refer to the male. And what is the feminine gender? Nouns that refer to the female. Now next, third one, common gender. What is common gender? Common means nouns that can refer to both male or female. Nouns that can refer to both male and female. Common gender means जो noun है ये वो दोनों के लिए होता है, मेल के लिए भी और फीमेल के लिए भी. उसको क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन जेंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनिमल, डॉक्टर, टीचर, कजिन, स्टूडेंट, बेबी. दीज ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द कॉमन जेंडर. या तो वो मेल भी हो सकता है या तो वो फीमेल भी हो सकता है. Yes, we had given a particular name, animal. So animal can be a male also or a female also. Teacher can be a male also or a female also. So it is called a common gender. And the last is neuter gender. What is a neuter gender? Neuter gender means nouns that refer to a non-living thing. जो non-living thing होता है उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? न्यूटर जेंडर कहेंगे. क्या कहेंगे? न्यूटर जेंडर. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल rope, word, telephone, train, school. These all are the examples of the neuter gender. So बच्चों आपको समझ में आया? चलो एक बार हम वापस रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. There are how many types of gender? There are 4 types of gender. Which are they? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender. What is a masculine gender? Nouns that refer to male. Nouns that refer to अभी हमने बोर्ड में पढ़ा that what is gender. Yes, so let us now learn from the textbook. So chapter number 5, gender. You know, nouns are naming words. Nouns क्या होता है? Naming words. ये already हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. Nouns can be of different kinds such as common nouns, proper nouns, abstract nouns, concrete nouns and collective nouns. Nouns may name people, things, places, animals, birds or even feeling. So we know very well, we had already learned in the chapter number 1 and 2 that what is noun and how many types of nouns are there. Yes, so let us see this exercise. See here, exercise. Question number 1, write the names of the following. देखो ये किसका पिक्चर दिया गया है? किंग का. तो सामने कौन है? क्वीन. सो यू हैव टू राइट QUEEN, क्वीन. फिर देखो यहाँ पे किसका पिक्चर दिया गया है? कोक का. यस, सो यहाँ पे सामने किसका पिक्चर है? हैन का. सो वी विल राइट हियर HEN, हैन. देन सी हियर, ये किसका पिक्चर है? हमें पता ही है ये बॉय का पिक्चर है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर बॉय. एंड सामने किसका पिक्चर दिया गया है? गर्ल का. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर गर्ल. देन ये किसका पिक्चर है? टाइगर. सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर टाइगर. एंड सामने किसका पिक्चर दिया गया है? टाइग्रेस. नाउ लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. See here, underline the nouns in the given sentence. We have to underline the noun. You know very well which are the nouns. Yes, so see here. First one, my cousin is a doctor. So cousin is also a noun and the doctor is also a noun. Next, the book is lying on the floor. So book is noun and floor is also a noun. Next, that lady is wearing a cap. Lady is also a noun and cap is also a noun. Next, these cows are grazing. So cows. Next, there are many people in that room. So people is also a noun and room is also a noun. Mr. Sinha is a gentleman. So Sinha and gentleman. Honesty is the best policy. So honesty and policy. And last one, children love to play. So children. So we know very well, we had already learned the noun in the chapter number 1. Yes. Now let's see, let's learn. Let's learn. Nouns that refer to males are said to be of the masculine gender. जो noun male को belong करता है उसको masculine gender कहते हैं. So boy, brother, king, nephew, peacock. Next, nouns that refer to females are said to be the feminine gender. जो nouns है, yes, वो किसको belong करता है? फीमेल को बिलोंग करता है, उसको फेमिनाइन जेंडर कहते हैं. सो एग्जाम्पल, गर्ल, सिस्टर, क्वीन, नीज एंड पीहैन. देन सी हियर, nouns that refer to a non-living thing are said to be of the neuter gender. Neuter gender means non-living thing. The noun which refer to non-living thing is called a neuter gender. For example, ball, bag, book, cap, table, house. Next, nouns that can refer to both male or a female are said to be of the common gender. For example, friend, cousin, neighbor, children, student. What is the common gender? Nouns that refer to both male and female. Okay, ये already हमने board में पढ़ लिया है. So now let's see direct exercise. See here, exercise. Circle the noun in the box. Follow this instruction. See, down in the box the nouns are given. What we have to do? Masculine gender with green. Masculine gender है उसमें हमें green color करना है. Feminine gender with red crayon. Feminine gender में हमें red crayon से करना है. फिर common gender with blue crayon. Common gender में हमें blue crayon से करना है. And न्यूटर जेंडर विथ अ ब्लैक क्रेयॉन। न्यूटर जेंडर में हमें ब्लैक कलर का क्रेयॉन कलर यूज करना है। ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी दैट हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट। यस, ओके, नाउ सी हियर, फर्स्ट वन इज टीचर, yes, then second one is leg, third one is aunt, fourth one is guard, then next one tigers, uncle, roaster, citizen, table, pencil, policewoman and grandfather। now पहले हम क्या करेंगे, मस्कुलाइन जेंडर जो भी होगा उसके ऊपर हम ग्रीन कलर करेंगे। ओके, यस, सो पहले हम करेंगे ये टाइगर्स के ऊपर, यस, फिर रोस्टर्स के ऊपर, फिर ग्रैंडफादर के ऊपर एंड अंकल के ऊपर। ओके, नाउ हम रेड कलर यूज करेंगे फेमिनाइन जेंडर के लिए। सो वहां पे हम क्या करेंगे, आंट एंड पुलिस वुमेन। उसके बाद हम ब्लू कलर करेंगे कॉमन जेंडर के लिए। सो टीचर, then guard, then citizen एंड लास्ट में हम न्यूट्रल जेंडर के लिए क्या यूज करना है, ब्लैक कलर। सो लेग, टेबल एंड पेंसिल। ओके स्टूडेंट, आपको समझ में आया? Yes, now let's see the next exercise. See here, question number 2, match the following. Policeman, we have to match, these all are given masculine gender and we have to match feminine gender. So policeman, so it will come policewoman. Then god, then it will come goddess. Prince, it will come princess. Xander, it will come goose. Ram, it will come Eve. Then stage, it will come dog. Host, it will come hostess. Stallone, it will come mare. Duke, it will come duchess. And drone, it will come bee. Okay? Now, let's see the next exercise. See here, rewrite the following sentence changing the words in the color into the opposite gender. हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे हमें ऑलरेडी कलर किया हुआ है, उसको हमें चेंज करके लिखना है। अगर मस्कुलाइन जेंडर है तो हमें उसका फेमिनाइन करना है, और अगर फेमिनाइन जेंडर है तो हमें उसका मस्कुलाइन जेंडर करना है। See here, first example is already given to us. My aunt is an actress. She has played the part of the heroine in many films. So, my aunt की जगह पे क्या हो गया, uncle. Is an actress की जगह पे actor. She की जगह पे he. फिर has played the part of heroine की जगह पे hero in many films. ये ऐसे ही हमें करना है। देखो, माई सिस्टर हैज 4 daughters, दे आर माई नीज। सो व्हाट वी विल राइट, माई सिस्टर की जगह पे ब्रदर, माई ब्रदर हैज 4, डॉटर की जगह पे सन्स, फिर दे आर माई नीस की जगह पे नेफ्यूज, NEPHEWS, नेफ्यूज। फिर देखो, द लैंड लेडी वॉन्ट्स टू सी योर वाइफ। सो यहाँ पे द लैंड लेडी की जगह पे लैंडलॉर्ड, लैंडलॉर्ड वॉन्ट्स टू सी योर हस्बैंड। वाइफ की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे हम, हस्बैंड। देन नेक्स्ट, द गर्ल्स सो अ लायन एंड टाइगर्स एट द जू। सो द गर्ल की जगह पे बॉयज, द बॉयज सो अ लायन की जगह पे लायनेस, एंड अ टाइगर की जगह पे टाइग्रेस। at the zoo. Next, the father loved his son very much. So क्या लिखेंगे हम? The father की जगह पे the mother, loved his की जगह पे her, son की जगह पे daughter, very much. The king was a great hunter. So the king की जगह पे queen. The queen was a great hunter की जगह पे huntress. Now next, the bride was dressed in expensive clothes. So क्या लिखेंगे? The bride की जगह पे bridegroom, bridegroom, groom was dressed in expensive clothes. The hen fed its chick. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? The hen की जगह पे cook, या तो हम रोस्टर भी बोल सकते हैं. Fed its chicks. Next, a woman who is not married is called a spinster. So the woman की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? Man. Man who is not married is called a bachelor. Next, my brother played the part of the emperor in the play. So my की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे हम? My आएगा. My brother की जगह पे sister played the part of the emperor की जगह पे empress in the play. Okay student, have you understood? What you have to do? You have to complete all this exercise along with me. Okay, so once again we will repeat. How many types of genders are there? There are 4 types of gender. Which are they? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Masculine gender है वो किसको belong करता है? Male को. Feminine gender है वो किसको belong करता है? Female को. And neuter gender है वो किसको belong करता है? Non living thing को. And common gender है वो both male और female दोनों को belong करता है. Okay students, I hope that you had understood the chapter.